Metal roof coating, chalking, or powdering is a total pain, but you can fix it by recoating with the right metal roof paint that actually sticks. So, if your metal roof starts looking all chalky or powdery, like it's shedding its top layer, don't just freak out. First, give it a good cleaning with a soft brush and some mild detergent to get rid of dirt and loose particles. Make sure the roof is bone dry before you even think about slapping on new paint. Always pick a metal roof paint that says it's compatible with your existing coating. Mixing stuff up can make things worse. Use a roller or spray for an even coat, and don't rush it. Thin layers are better than one thick blob. Paint when the weather's chill, not too hot or freezing, so it dries right and doesn't peel later. Keep an eye on your roof every couple of years to spot chalking early so you can recoat before it gets bad. And hey, don't forget safety, to use proper gear and ropes if you're climbing up there yourself. One of the biggest mistakes with metal roof coating chalking is ignoring the problem until it's way too obvious, which just makes repairs costlier and tougher. Another common issue is using the wrong kind of paint that isn't made for metal roofs or isn't compatible with the old coating. This causes peeling and more chalking fast. The third is painting over a dirty or wet surface, which makes the new coating fail because it can't stick properly. To fix these, start regular inspections so you catch chalking early. Always double check your paint specs for metal roof compatibility, and make sure everything is clean and dry before you recoat. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing on jobs like metal roof recoating. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new work without all the hassle of advertising themselves everywhere.